Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Kalista Adumike, a professional makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the day 3 of the Layefa at Revys Beauty Lagos Masterclass, and it has been so much fun. If you've been following my page, if you've not, go to my page and watch the day 1 and day 2. So today is the day 3 and I'm on my way already to the class. So today I anticipate a lot. This day is going to be the practical of what we've been taught for 2 days, and I really anticipate a lot. Like, I just arrived the venue, that's the Oriental Hotels, and I drive straight inside the building, and oh my god, it's a lot. It's really a lot, and I was really running a bit late because on this day my son wasn't feeling fine, so I had to attend to him, give him some medications before coming out. So I was already in a hurry, I was already a bit tense, so I got to the car, packed my load. The load that makeup artist used to carry, and it's not like this is all the everything. This is just the chair and the light. The box, I wasn't carrying the box, so my friend was helping me carry my box. Like, shout out to my baby friend, my wonderful friend Cynthia. She came to help me bring these things upstairs, and I was so grateful. So this is the model I'm using for the practical. Yes, this is the model that I'm using, and you see, in this practical there, guys, I was so much in a hurry. You remember I was already a bit late. See, by the time I entered the hall, the whole hall was already filled up to the brim. I literally set up my stuff at the middle of the road, if you could see the environment. So I had to rush. I planned to film the detailed look of this look I was going to achieve, but with what was happening, I just had to start from this moment. You understand? It was after the skincare, when I was about to apply a foundation. That was when I was a bit calm. You understand? I was a bit calm. So I'd already done the skincare already. So this is me applying the foundation, guys. See the way this foundation is melting into the skin. See, when you concentrate so much on building a healthy skin, your skin prep, like you concentrate on your skin prep before makeup, you have nothing or more to do with your foundation application. Just look at the skin. Look at the match, guys. Look at the match. Just see how it is like a glowing butter. Like, I don't even know, but the match is mind blowing, guys. So at this point I was contouring her face. So for the foundation, I used Beauty by AD in the shade 10 bar 10. That's what I used to achieve this her lovely skin. And for contouring her face, I use the shade 15. I was using L'Oreal in the shade 525 before, but it wasn't giving the contouring I was wanting, so I had to switch to bar 15 of the Beauty by AD. And look at where you're supposed to contour. See, I was showing you that line, like that side of the face, like a little bit under the cheekbone. Do you understand? So that is where you should contour. Then after the contouring, I had to blend it in properly, and this is me applying the blush. So every wet thing is supposed to be done first. So now this is just the blush, and the blush is exactly on her cheekbone. If you can see, the blush is exactly on her cheekbone, and I am blending. you just have to blend. Like when I'm done blending with this side, I go over to the other side. And if you could notice something, with the beauty blender, I did not use the same side I use in applying the foundation to blend in the contour and the blush. I use the other side of the beauty blender, so that when I want to blend in the highlighted area, I will not stain this highlighted area with the blush and the contour that's a bit darker than her foundation. Do you understand? Thank you very much, and God bless. So coming to the highlighted area, I did show you guys what I use for the highlighters. What I use, Kevin O'Con in the shade XX11, and the Bond This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. So the thing here is that I was supposed to use the Bond This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch first, then use the Kevin O'Con to highlight her inner eyes. Do you understand? But because of time, I have to use the two concealer at the same time, like simultaneously at the same time. So after applying the SS11 of the Kevin O'Con, I went ahead to apply the Bond This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. So if you could see, I'm applying it right now underneath. Do you get underneath? So don't be scared that the concealer is much. Just watch, sit down and watch the blending skill of how I'm going to melt this whole concealer into her face. So I now decided to apply the two concealers together, and watch me as I blend it effortlessly. So guys, while blending the under eye, you just have to be light-handed. You understand? You're not blending completely the foundation, the concealer out of it completely. So you're just, remember that under the eyes has to be highlighted. So this is when I'm done blending under the eyes, and I'm setting it in with the Merak setting powder or setting spice in the shade ginger. So I told my model to look up. So you have to tell your client or your model to look exactly up carefully, so that you can be able to blend in the fine line completely underneath the eyes. Do you get? After using the setting powder to set under the eyes, I went in with her shade of powder. Not really a shade of powder, like a shade or slightly too lighter than her skin for underneath the eyes. See the way I was so careful. You have to set under the eyes very, very well. Remember, the under eyes is wet because of the concealer. So you have to set under the eyes very, very well. If not, it will crease. By the time she look down and up, like move her eyes normally, the under eyes will crease. See the way it is smooth and clean. If you do not blend under the eyes very well, it will crease. That is it. So this is me contouring her nose, and I didn't do wet contour. So what I'm doing is a powdery contour. So I'm using the House of Tara in the shade 46 to do a 46 to contour her nose, and I'm doing that with my Vicabel brush that is a little bit angle and fluffy to achieve this. So while I am doing that, I have to blend as I go. Wow, the powder I use in contouring is not House of Tara powder. Just remember, this is MAC in the shade dark. Yes, this is MAC in the shade dark. So I'm using it to contour. Sorry guys. So you just have to do it carefully, Do you understand? And blend it as you go. You do not want the fine lines of your nose contour. It's not a good one at all. So you have to blend as you go. Blend. If when you're done blending and you feel it's not well blended, go in with your beauty sponge, go in with your beauty blender and blend it completely in very well. Do you get? So after blending the nose contour, I tried to use my setting spray from Omarico, the skin mist, to set in all the powdery effects that I've created on the face, and just watch how that skin went from being powdering to everything sitting into her skin completely. Just see the face. Just see the face. So I decided to use my sponge to dry it up. So guys, this is the end of the look, and don't worry, I'm going to be showing you in my next video how I created that eyeshadow, and a detailed one at that. So thank you very much for watching to this moment. This look was really mind-blowing, and I was super grateful to God that I was able to achieve this look in this class. That means the class went through me and me through the class. This is the cue, guys, for us to go and show the judges the look you have created. So there are prizes to be won actually, and just sit and hear the those that have won the prizes. I am so happy for the second runner-up, and this is Layefa presenting her gift to her, and I'm so happy for her. Everyone did so well, and she did.
And the winner is CPJ.
At this moment, I was so happy for the winner. Like, I'm super excited for her. It was really emotional. It was really emotional. And I was so happy for her. She won it. A whooping sum of 500,000 naira. And the first runner-up, a whooping sum, a makeup chair. And I was so happy for her. Like, I'm so happy for her. Omo, she cried. She really cried. But I'm so happy for her. She did so well. Her look was really mind-blowing. Her look was so gorgeous. I'm so happy for her. Congratulations to the winner. I'm super excited. And the class was really worth it. The class was worth it. Everyone did actually well. It was really difficult for the judges to actually choose the winner, and it was wonderful. I met some wonderful people in this class. Zik Beauty by Chog. I met some wonderful people, and I'm super excited for the things we're going to be creating together at a brand.
Who did the makeup?
I did the makeup.
A lot of us were so well, about 100 here.
See my makeup.
I am super proud of myself, guys, and I'm so happy. Please don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.